If you're like me, you've probably had some sticker shock when looking to purchase another vehicle. As a result, you've probably been keeping and maintaining your current vehicle for a longer period of time. Because of the rising costs, I've tried to find ways to save on purchasing auto parts for my current vehicle that I'd like to share with you today. It's important when purchasing parts to always buy from a reputable dealer. That way they'll stand behind their product. Always check auto parts websites for parts availability, prices, online discounts, and availability for free shipping. Let me show you a couple of promo codes you can find online. One of the nice things about purchasing online is that you can check availability of parts and also promotional codes. For instance, Advance right now is offering 15% off of orders of $35 and 20% off of orders of $100 online only. Now, usually these rewards, or promotions rather, do have a maximum amount of discounts that they'll allow. You'll have to check your website for additional information. In addition to your local auto parts store, you may also want to check your dealer websites as well too. I found this site, parts.chevrolet.com, which is currently offering up to 25% off of orders with the minimum purchase as well too. This is another example of some specials you can find on your local auto parts dealers as well too when shopping online. For instance, you see these oil specials where they'll have oil filters and oil combo deals as well too. And Advanced, AutoZone, and Napa also offer similar specials from time to time as well too. Most of the major auto parts company also offers reward programs. It's important to sign up for those when purchasing parts. The benefits of signing up for those reward programs is that you get coupons towards future purchases. In addition to the rewards, you'll also get notifications of future sales and limited sales to reward members only. Of course, one of the best ways to save money is to shop and compare prices. In addition, you may also want to check a local auto parts store to see if they will price match the competition. In order for the price matching to work, however, you will have to make sure that those products are available and is the same item that you're looking for on each site. Just like all your local auto parts dealers, Napa from time to time does also offer promotional codes. However, if they are not offering promotional codes at the time you need your parts, if you have a AAA card, they will offer you a 10% discount. If you notice, some of the mail order companies will provide you a discount if you open a credit card through them as well too. So that's another advantage you have, especially if you're making a large purchase. And this would be another example of a credit card discount through Classic Industries. Some sites offer apps where you can download on your phone, and they offer special discounts for those that obtain the apps. When you're visiting the site, be sure to check for special offers or clearance sections. There you'll find clearance items, overstocked items, and instant rebates as well too. This especially can be very helpful during restoration products, as you can help save some money on parts. Sometimes it is beneficial to buy in bulk. For instance, larger orders sometimes do provide a larger discount. In this instance, orders above $329 are offered a 20% discount. However, be sure to check out what the exclusions are and the limitations of the discount, overall discount of the orders. If you can wait for special events such as Amazon Prime Day, Black Friday, or any national holiday, some of the car suppliers also provide some additional discounts and specials. Some parts companies offer jobber pricing. In order to explore that option, you will need a dealer license and contact them individually to find out what the requirements would be to get those discounted prices. A couple examples of discounted auto parts would be Rock Auto. So another example would be Parts Geek. Online sites, when you purchase through them, oftentimes will give you some additional promotions after purchases as well, which will be emailed to your account. Some of these accounts will also email you some listings of closeout specials from time to time. It's also beneficial to check your dealer websites as well too, such as Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge, and so forth. When you check their sites, sometimes they offer special promotional deals as you can see with this one. It can possibly be an option for you as well too. Some of the auction sites have maker offer listings, and also with multiple purchases of items you can see some additional discounts as well. Some store locations that Summit has and National Parts Depot that I've seen have a scratch and dent area. We can find some discounts on some parts that are blemished or missing some parts. If you're restoring a vehicle and looking for some used original parts, another option could be swap meets. These can be easily found on the groups on Facebook. Another option would be Facebook Marketplace. Craigslist and OfferUp could be some additional sites. Something else to consider would be check your local salvage yard. Oftentimes they have a website where they can check the inventory to see what they have on hand as far as vehicles. Sometimes joining a Facebook group also can help provide a source for parts. Anytime you purchase used parts, be sure to inspect them before purchasing them. Joining a car club is also beneficial. That way you can network with people that have similar cars and vehicles. Oftentimes they have leftover parts from their previous builds that they can offer to you at a steep discount. Networking with people at car shows could also provide a source for parts. These are also groups that could be found on Facebook if needed. Sometimes it's helpful to follow online car culture content creators, as they sometimes offer promo codes for discounts. You can save a tremendous amount of money by learning some basic repairs. These can be found in service manuals and some social media outlets as well too, such as YouTube, TikTok, and so forth. If you have any current auto part promo codes with expiration dates, please feel free to share them in the comments section below for others to use. If you'd like to share other legal ways to save money on auto parts, please be sure to share them in the comments section below. It would be greatly appreciated. I hope this helps. Let me know how much this helped save you on your purchase. And of course, always, thank you for watching.